Our entry in the IM 3D competition is an FDM UAV or Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. Our aircraft is 8 feet in span and weighs 12 pounds, and it is produced with ABS M30 via FDM. The original mission of the aircraft was to survey agricultural fields, reporting back on crop health to farmers. The aircraft would launch and recover in rough terrain and fly a grid over a designated area, constantly recording hyperspectral data. An initial sizing study was undertaken based on the mission requirements, resulting in a general aircraft layout. A more detailed design attempted to locate components and validate previous work. This design, once refined, was manufactured out of foam and fiberglass using traditional wet layout techniques. The aircraft was successfully test flown to validate the analysis done previously and assess the flying capabilities of the vehicle. Overall, the aircraft flew very well and even landed on unimproved terrain through varying ground conditions. Unfortunately, this process of hand layup is time and labor intensive. The sequence of creating molds, stacking cloth, and impregnating the stack with a matrix is not only tedious, but it requires extensive knowledge to be successful. Our team made use of additive manufacturing, or the sequential addition of layers of materials to a part, to produce an aircraft that we feel represents the promise of this industry. By making use of design guidelines such as minimizing support material through self-supporting structures, our team was able to create a light and strong wing that could resist bending and torsion. This cutaway view shows a wing section in its vertical print orientation, featuring a series of spars or spanwise supports as well as ribs or cordwise supports. The overall aircraft design evolved from the initial foam model into a detailed CAD model ready to be printed. Symmetrical about a center plane, each half of the UAV consists of 4 sections that can be printed in a Stratasys Fortis 900 machine. The parts, which self-align, can be assembled by anyone who can build IKEA furniture. Total assembly time of the aircraft once the parts were manufactured was a small fraction of the manufacturing time of the scale model previously built. We strongly believe that leveraging additive for final part production will be a key technology in the further growth of the small commercial UAV industry.